You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
Just ahead of the weekend, MSI took the wraps off a new range of graphics cards. The Suprim range is an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30-focused sub-brand, which is aimed squarely at the premium market. Described as a prestigious concept. With high-quality materials and meticulous engineering that can be seen, felt, and experienced, it is easy to understand the brand philosophy. I think it has been influenced by the recent move of the premium gaming laptop market in becoming somewhat more subtle to try and appeal to the creator market too. At the time of writing, there are three Suprim graphics cards: the MSI GeForce RTX 3090 Suprim X24G, the RTX 3080 Suprim X10G, and the RTX 3070 Suprim X8G. They all look pretty similar to each other, being triple fan designs, which MSI refers to as the Trifrost cooler design. This cooling assembly uses Torx Fan 4.0 fans with airflow control fins. The heatsink beneath the shroud is laced with cooling pipes, and the base covers all the important heat-generating components. Taking a step back again, the Suprim cards have a modern polished brushed aluminium cooler shroud and backplate, which manages to strike a balance between simplicity and complexity, like a premium performance laptop. There are RGB LEDs built in for those who like that sort of thing, so you can transform this modern-looking card into a mystic light eruption of millions of color, plus dynamic effects. The MSI Suprim card ship with a dual BIOS set to silent mode out of the box, but can easily switch to gaming mode as and when required. Furthermore, you can use MSI Afterburner to overclock this card to its limits. MSI says that the GeForce RTX 3090 Suprim X24G, $1,749, and the RTX 3080 Suprim X10G, $899, are available with immediate effect, but the RTX 3070 will not become available until early December. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.